1. Q-Tech Benchtop Jointer. This Q-Tech 42160H CT jointer is an ideal jointer machine, best suited for novices and DIY enthusiasts who are getting started with using power tools, and those looking for an affordable yet efficient wood flattening tool for their various woodworking projects. Benefits and features of the product. This product by Q-Tech is affordable and easy to use. You can purchase this particular benchtop jointer for under $400 without much struggle. 2. PowerTech Cheap Bench Joiner. This PowerTech is yet another irresistible benchtop joiner for those looking to purchase a budget-friendly tool. Who said that affordable is cheap? Affordable may and may not be cheap. It all depends on the buyer, but the bottom line is that an affordable product is one that provides you with satisfactory performance at a reasonable price. That is exactly what this particular benchtop jointer offers you. Let's look at some of its features. 3. Delta Power Tools Budget Bench Jointer. Delta has become one of the most celebrated power tools brand today. And it is not just that. The brand is known for producing tools that are both budget-friendly as well as efficient. It is because of being budget-friendly and of good quality that the Delta Power 37071 model made it to our top 5 list of best jointers in the market. 4. Grizzly Benchtop Jointer. This is by far the cheapest benchtop jointer in our top jointers for the money list, and it's not just the affordable aspect that makes this jointer top rated. Despite being that cheap, Grizzly G07256 is also the fact that it is a product of a very popular and reputable woodworking tools brand, Grizzly. 5. Porter Cable Benchtop Jointer. Our number 3 on the list of top 5 best benchtop jointers is this Porter Cable PC160JT. This jointer is best known for being excellent in performance compared to other products in its category. The jointer has some fully packed features that certainly make its use and performance top-notch. Benefits and features of the product top-rated performance, as mentioned earlier, is one of the strongest points of this benchtop jointer. With this joiner, you can be assured of consistent and smooth operations, thanks to the stupendous fence and dual keating head featured in the product. Easy replacement and adjustment. The end result of using this joiner is quite efficient and reliable. This is especially because of the ease of adjustability and replacement of certain features on the jointer. For example, you can choose the right speed to work with from the variable speed range in the jointer. Also, the 2-knife cutter head with jackscrew knife leveling arrangement allows you to easily replace and adjust knives with the cutter head, facilitating the adjustment and replacement processes.